Dumelang ke lamala back onto my channel. Ke khopela ska lebala go subscribe, go comment, go like, go share video so that let's get miss out whenever I try to upload a new video, guys. So the three cyclists from Limpopo province who traveled from the province and from their hometown of Burgersfort to Cape Town in bicycles, you guys have finally reached their destination in Cape Town. And please do forgive me for reporting on this later because they reached Cape Town yesterday despite encountering many challenges and obstacles across the way to Cape Town, but they have finally done so, you guys. Now the boys reached out to popular TikToker DJ Curry to help them with their destination. And of course, along the way, he had managed to secure a lot of sponsorships for them. Despite one most recent challenge where one biker was injured and had to take, a few days off, and they continued with their trip. I think it was on Sunday, and just yesterday they have reached Cape Town. You guys, now all this was live streamed on, certain news stations. You guys, now the president Cyril Ramaphosa has too decided to speak and acknowledge the boys for reaching such a milestone, you guys, especially considering the background that they came from, the background that they are from, because they did not have the necessary, resources to reach their ultimate goal, you guys. President Cyril Ramaphosa did go on on his Twitter page to write this message to them, which reads as follows. On behalf of the South African government and its people, I congratulate cyclists Gauta Mahlakwane, Max Ndohu, and Karabo Moko for safely completing a first and unique historic tour from their hometown of Burgersfort, Limpopo province, to Cape Town, the Western Cape province, on an arduous adventures for 13 days and 1,741 kilometers of pedaling on their BMX bicycles. Your ambitions to succeed against all odds has captivated the nation, and this feat of human endurance has awakened their possibilities of what one will achieve when setting their sight to greatness. As a peloton, you triumph over adversity, and the journey from Burgersfort to Cape Town fueled our Ubuntu human connection that defines South Africa. Now, in the spirit of solidarity, the people of South Africa not only cheered the team on when pacing past their community, they also responded to your needs by raising awareness about BMX Gauta Team Club and your advocacy for young people to stay off alcohol, drugs, and gangsterism. South Africa admires and values the youthful, exuberant, self-starting initiative you espoused that had inspired this and many generations to come. That was written by President Cyril Ramaphosa. You guys, of course, we congratulate the boy for such a milestone, and we do, of course, wish them very well in their future endeavors, and may the God Lord just continue blessing them all.